How to block someone on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone on WeChat. The first step is to log in into your WeChat account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons, which includes chat, contact, discover, me. Just go ahead and click on the me option. So after clicking on me, you'll be taken to the Me's page, all right, where you'd see your profile, you'd see your WeChat ID, you'll see your status and all of that. Then the next thing is to select settings. After selecting settings, on the settings page, you can see options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, message notifications, chat, general, friends permissions, etc. Just go ahead and click on friends permissions. On the friends permissions page, you can see require friend request, method for friending me, chat only, etc. Then the last option, which is blocked list. That is what you would click on. So after clicking on blocked list, you'll see all of the contacts that you have blocked there. And then the next thing to do is to select the contacts. Then after clicking on the contacts, I are brought to the contacts profiles page. Move to the top right corner, click on the three dots, and then you can see the block option, right? Just click on it this way, and then the person would be unblocked. So do this for all of the blocked numbers that you have in your blocked list, and they will be unblocked. As you can see, my blocked list is now empty because I only had one person. I only blocked one person and I have unblocked the person. So this is how you can unblock someone in WeChat. Thanks for watching and have a good day.